Alright guys, so this is a quick fix on how to fix the quick video on how to fix the steering lock issue on the Nissans. I got an Altima 2009. I think it's the same for 07 to 12 year models. But basically my symptoms were that key light up there was on. It goes away pretty quick. I don't know if you saw it, but the key light was on. It was saying this, and then I would try it, eventually go away, and it would not change modes. I couldn't go from accessory to on. It was stuck in lock. All right, so this just happened one day. I woke up to go to work. I went and cranked my car up, and it would not work. I didn't know what the fuck was going on, so I started looking on YouTube, and a couple guys posted some videos. They just were kind of iffy, you know, so I wanted to give you guys something solid to look at here. So what you're going to want to do is go up under your steering wheel. I'd use a screwdriver to get this panel out, but now it kind of pops easy. But just pop this panel out here. All right, let me get up under here, get you guys some light. All right, this little box right here, I guess that's your steering wheel lock mechanism or some shit. All you're gonna want to do is get something blunt. I got this here. It's just a wrench, and you can use literally anything that you can get up under there with. It's got some weight to it. I use this because it's long and I don't have to take the entire panel off to get up under there. What you're gonna want to do is just take the wrench and bang on that guy a couple times, maybe 3 or 4 times. You try the car, bang, bang, bang. Try again, bang, bang, bang. It took me about 3 times, and the 3rd time it started back up. Right. So I don't want to do it because this just happened the other day, so I don't know what's gonna happen if I go banging on it. But it's very simple. It's as easy as it sounds, and I was freaked out. People were saying it's gonna be like $500-700 to replace, and I was like, I don't have that. So I looked up online and I found this. And that was pretty simple. It worked. Now I just keep that wrench in my car just in case. It's only been a couple days since it happened, but I haven't had any trouble with my car since. But yeah, that's how you fix the steering wheel lock problem on your Nissan.